welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of agriculture with a showcase of 50 unique and extremely powerful machines and ingenious tools that are revolutionizing farming. From high-tech tractors to innovative irrigation systems, these machines are setting new standards in efficiency and productivity. Let's get started. We begin with advanced tractors, the powerhouses of modern agriculture. First, we have the John Deere 9RX series, designed for the toughest tasks with its impressive horsepower and advanced technology. IH Magnum AFS Connect, which offers unparalleled connectivity and precision for large-scale farming. Finally, the Fendt 1050 Vario, renowned for its exceptional power and efficiency, making it a favorite among farmers worldwide. Harvesters are crucial for efficient crop collection, and these machines stand out for their innovation. Lexion 8900 is a combine harvester that offers high capacity and precision, ensuring maximum yield. Then, there's the New Holland CR Revelation, featuring the world's highest capacity rotary combine technology. And the John Deere S790, known for its advanced features and reliable performance during the harvest season. Planting is fundamental to farming, and these precision planters and seeders make the process seamless. Kin's 4905 True Speed Planter, which ensures accurate seed placement at high speeds, boosting efficiency. Next, the John Deere Exact Emerge Planter, designed for optimal seed spacing and depth control, ensuring a perfect start for crops. A high-speed precision planter that guarantees uniform planting across large fields. Irrigation is vital for crop health, and these innovative systems ensure optimal water management. The Valley Icon Smart Panels, which offer unparalleled control and monitoring of irrigation systems from anywhere. Next, the Lindsay FieldNet, a state-of-the-art system that provides remote management and automation for efficient water usage. And the Rain Cloud, a platform that integrates irrigation with real-time data and analytics for smarter farming. Spraying is essential for pest control and crop health, and these sprayers excel in efficiency. Sprayer, which combines high capacity with precise application technology, reducing waste and increasing coverage. Then, the Case IH Patriot 4440, known for its robust performance and advanced spray technology. And the Hardy Alpha Evo, a self-propelled sprayer that offers unmatched flexibility and precision in the field. Preserving crops, and these machines deliver exceptional results. The Krona Big Pack 1290 HDP, known for its high-density bales and rapid performance. Next, the John Deere 560M baler, which offers reliability and advanced features for perfect bales every time. And the McHale Fusion 3 Plus, a combination baler wrapper that streamlines the baling process, saving time and labor. Machines ensure the best results. The Case IH Ecola Tiger 875 disc ripper, perfect for deep tillage and residue management. Next, the John Deere 2730 combination ripper, which combines multiple tillage tools for efficient soil preparation. Specialty tools and attachments enhance the versatility of farming equipment. The JCB Telehandler, a versatile tool for lifting and moving heavy loads with ease. Next, the Bobcat Compact Track Loader, a must-have for its adaptability and power in various farm tasks. MS661CM chainsaw, known for its durability and performance, perfect for managing farm woodlands. Advanced tools make harvesting easier and more efficient. The Oxbow 334 merger, ideal for gathering crops into windrows for smooth collection. Offering high capacity and high density bales for simplified baling. and the John Deere CP 690 cotton picker, an advanced machine that revolutionizes cotton harvesting with its precision and efficiency. These 50 unique and extremely powerful agriculture machines and ingenious tools are transforming the farming landscape, showcasing the best of modern technology and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.